Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd. You can't remember it first.
The Lord is my shepherd. I
shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He lays my beside still waters.
He
makes me lie down in great
pasture. He restores.
He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. I will fear no evil.
Even though
even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me.
you prepare
A table before me in the presence of my enemies.
You anoint.
You anoint my head with oil.
Yeah. My cup.
My cup overflows.
Surely. Goodness. Surely goodness and mercy.
Surely goodness and mercy.
Shall follow me.
Shall follow me.
All the days of my life.
In my life.
Okay, can you say all that? Surely goodness and mercy.
Goodness and mercy. All my life.
Shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. So let's start from surely goodness and mercy.
Goodness and mercy.
Will follow me.
Will follow me.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
And I will dwell.
And I will dwell.
In the house of the Lord.
In the house of the Lord.
Forever.
Forever.